Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. Today, I'd like to introduce you to this 2008 Yamaha XT250. A friend of mine just bought it as a cheap dual sport to play around with and asked me to fix it up for him first. The tires look almost like new, but the rest of this 14-year-old bike has seen better days. It's running well, and we haven't found any significant damage, so it seems like a good candidate for a second life. I rode it around the block and decided it wasn't really safe enough to ride much further than that. The rear brake caliper is broken and wears unevenly, but both brakes feel pretty bad. The suspension is very soft and bouncy, and I'm afraid I might have to take the bike to a shop to get that sorted out. The front brake lever is bent, the shift lever is bent, and there's a lot of surface rust and oxidation all over the bike. But I don't have any experience with the XT250, so I'll be looking for your comments suggesting any maintenance and modifications we should do to this bike. I have a good variety of videos lined up for the next few months, so stay tuned for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.